In our Browpedia eyebrow training, we offer you the opportunity to immerse yourself in the Artdeco eyebrow assortment and discover the unique Artdeco expertise to turn every eyebrow styling into a real eye-catcher. No matter if powder, pencil, or gel, Artdeco helps you to find the right product to create your desired look. Our Browpedia is structured by the finishes and styles you would like to achieve. If you want your full or thin eyebrows to look natural, then choose the first segment, Classic, Thick and Thin. You want to fill up your eyebrows and add volume? Then choose the second segment, Fill Up and Volume. If you prefer exact definition and precision, then go for High Definition and Precision. For powerful brows, the fourth segment statement is the right choice for you. Each video is dedicated to one product with the additional tips for application, which provides valuable advice from a professional point of view. Our Browpedia is a wonderful tool to play with. Have fun with it!
Eyebrow powder is a softly pigmented eyebrow powder. You can apply really easily and quick this product. We have in different colors, we can mix the products, and the result is a natural and beautiful eyebrows. It's a perfect product for beginners. It's coming in the customizable system.
First, comb the eyebrows into the right shape. For the perfect color match, choose the same tone as the hairline. The application of the powder is best with the eyebrow brush, following the natural shape of the eyebrow. After the application of the powder, take the lash brush again, comb the eyebrows into the right shape, and voila! You've created the classic and natural eyebrow look.
Eyebrow pencil, a classic eyebrow pencil to define your eyebrows. It's so easy to apply. First of all, the tip is so precise, it's a long-lasting, and the texture is just the perfect texture. Not that hard, not that soft, just the perfect texture to define your eyebrows.
First, as always, comb the eyebrows into the desired shape. Then, fill in single unevenness with the classic eyebrow pencil, which is made of wood, and immediately afterwards blend it in so that the naturalness is preserved. In between the individual eyebrow hairs, the eyebrow pencil fills in small gaps. That's it! We have already modeled the first brow in a natural but defined way. Compare both eyebrows again. It's important to look from a distance to check if symmetry is achieved. Remove excess with a lash brush. Then comb the eyebrow hairs diagonally upwards again. This provides an open eye look.
Eyebrow Designer, a classical eyebrow pencil with a brush for styling and blending your eyebrows. You can create a natural and fill-up look with matte finish with this product. Also, we have available in the waterproof.
First, comb the eyebrows with the integrated brush following the natural shape of the brow. Apply the Eyebrow Designer with its matte texture. Again, draw single hairs exactly from the start of the eyebrow, but blend in the texture right away to ensure perfect styling. Lastly, compare both brows again and voila! First of all, comb the eyebrow hairs into the desired shape and at the same time carefully figure out the areas that have to be filled. The waterproof Eyebrow Designer can be applied very easily and precisely. After application, style and blend the individual eyebrow hairs as usual. See, this style is beautiful and above all, waterproof.
Pro Tip Brow Liner is a liquid eyebrow pencil for shaping, combing and filling. It's a water-resistant, smudge-proof and long-lasting texture. The great thing about this product is the 4-edge felt tip. You can fill in and comb at the same time. Your eyebrows look thicker and fuller.
Now we perfect the eyebrows with the Pro Tip Brow Liner. The special tip combs the individual hairs. It also shapes them and gives them an imitation of 4 single hairs. With this product, a beautiful effect can be created directly after the first application. With a fine tip, you can also deal with small gaps and unevennesses, even on the contour. You can also extend the brow easily, and as long as the texture is not dried, remove the excess with a brow brush and redraw. See for yourself. Now we have perfection, precision, volume, and styling all in one.
Brow Filler Tinted Eyebrow Gel with a thickening effect. It's perfect to fix your eyebrows. Also, here inside contains small fibers to add a bit extra volume on your eyebrows. And the brush is really precise, soft and easy to apply.
Artdeco's brow filler creates a perfect shape while fixing the eyebrow and combing at the same time. But that's not all. Due to the combing of the tinted gel, an even color shade can be achieved. The result becomes visible directly after the application.
Let's talk about Brow Duo Powder and Liner. Basically, this is a 2-in-1 product, liner and a powder. First of all, we have to define your eyebrows with the liner, then fill up your eyebrows with the powder, and then you're gonna have a really stylish eyebrows.
In order to work perfectly with the Brow Duo Powder and Liner, firstly comb the brow hairs into the right shape. Then, fill in small gaps with the integrated pen in a very delicate and defined way. After that, focus on the extension of the eyebrow and lengthen the eyebrow in small, wafer-thin strokes and work precisely in the course of the last third. Lengthen when needed. Simply blend in any imperfections with the lash brush. And now take the waterproof powder to add volume. Also work over the pencil with the powder for perfect color gradients. With this technique, you have achieved a 3D styling with filling and volume.
Eyebrow Color Pen, a liquid eyebrow pen. With this product, it's really precise. You can imitate the natural hairs on your eyebrows. As a result, it's a really natural eyebrows. And the one thing that's really nice about this product is the buildable coverage. You can build the color.
Start at the beginning of the brow and draw soft, feathery hairs into the eyebrow. Then, check the result and brush out possible mistakes with the lash brush. As long as the texture is not dried, you can still work the product into the eyebrows precisely and draw in every single hair and fill up any unevennesses. Always make sure that 2/3 of the brow are rising and 1/3 is falling. Then, look at it again frontally and make sure that symmetry is given. It's really fascinating how even and natural this looks, like a real microblading treatment.
Ultrafine Brow Liner is a liner with a really fine tip. With this tip, you can draw hair by hair. You can go for the discreet to dramatic look. It comes with an integrated brush. It's a perfect product to shape and define your eyebrows.
Start at the beginning of the eyebrow, right at the first point, and gently place individual hairs. This pencil is incredible. With the ultra-fine brow liner, you can define the eyebrow beautifully and exactly. Fill in the small gaps and work to the highest point of the eyebrow. The lower contour of the eyebrow is precise, therefore it is only necessary to fill in the upper part. Make sure that the course of the eyebrow is really precise. 2/3 rising and 1/3 falling. The excess of texture can be removed with a delicate comb. In the end, look frontally at both eyebrows and ensure that they are even and that a symmetry is created. Et voila! Perfection, definition, and precision is achieved.
Gel Twist Brow Liner. This product is perfect to create a statement eyebrows. With the innovative creamy texture, smooth gliding, long-lasting, you can create a perfect, dense and expressive look.
First of all, comb the eyebrows into the right shape. Then, start with contouring. In the lower part, draw the contour exactly, tracing the upper contour. Fade in. Look at the shape. If you want to be even more precise, take the gel texture with a brush and apply it to the eyebrow in exact points or lines. For the perfect statement brow look, one thing is very important. You have to pay attention to horizontal lines. Horizontal at the start of the 2 points. Horizontal in both points. Start at the end of the eyebrow, but also the highest point should be symmetrical. The special feature of the Gel Twist Brow Liner is that after a short drying time you can intensify the color. Now, let's focus on the outer third. Really beautiful from the highest point of the eyebrow to the end point. The Brow Perfector is also the best eraser. If you've made a mistake, you can blend it out immediately. This is how you create the perfect statement eyebrows look.